All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna be talking about how to set up your notebook for the quiz as well. So it's very simple. So like here's an example of a quiz. Yeah, I'm showing you the quiz right now. So as you can see, this quiz right here is quiz number 2. That's right there, quiz number 2, and that's the name of the quiz right here, right? And so what you're gonna do now is you're basically gonna, it's the same thing. The lesson name before, the lesson name was introducing proportion relationship with tables. And the quiz name is also the same thing, except the only thing is now you have a little quiz at the end. So with the header as well, you're gonna have 3 things. So instead of lesson 2, you're gonna call it quiz 2. Quiz 2. And then you're going to keep everything the same. So introducing proportion relationship with tables, and then you're going to put the date as well, like I did right there. Now, the only thing that's going to, and then the same thing, right? Like I told you before, when you solve for your homework, you just have to write down the most important information about the problem. And that's what you're going to do exactly with the quiz as well. So like, for example, this right there says 4 quarters are equal in value to 10 dimes. So that seems important. So I'm going to write that down, right? So for me, I don't have to write down the question down. I don't have to necessarily write the question down. If I want to write this down, actually, let me just go over the whole thing. So 4 quarters are equal in value to 10 dimes. So that's important. So I'm going to write 4 quarters are equal to 10 dimes. I just summarized it. You can summarize it too. In fact, I encourage you guys to summarize the problem because that means that you understand it a little bit better. And then what I'm going to do is number of quarters and number of dimes. So the number of quarters, and number of dimes. And then 1, 4, 6, 14, 1, 4, 6, 14, and then we got 10 on the right, like that. And then if you take a look, how many dimes equal the value of 6 quarters? So 6 quarters equals to whatever dimes. And then you show your work right here. You show your work and how you got that answer, right? And it is very important for you to show your work, including in your lessons as well. Make sure to show your work on your lesson on how you got the answer, because that is how I know that you understand how to get it, how to understand the concept. The next thing is how many dimes equal the value of 14 quarters. So you can say 14 quarters equals to however many dimes. And then show your work right here, right? So as long as you're showing your work and you're putting the most important parts of the problem, you'll be fine. And so that is how you set up your notebook for the quiz. And I hope that helped, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.